Hello guys, this is Joyce again, your lovely host, and you're welcome to our channel. Today I will introduce you how to connect Max Lasers, the monitor app. The wire, the signal wire you're gonna need, okay? And you can find there are two inserts here. And I'm gonna, first one is just to make sure it is connected to fiber lasers. So now this signal wire is matched with the lasers. Plug in. After the wire is connected, now we are going to open the monitor app. Find the right version of monitor app. You can switch your language into English. We choose IP2, then log in. Click OK. OK. Now you are watching the Max Lasers monitor interface. This is the first way to check your laser status. And we can watch the first column. Click them all. Let's check the charts. It shows the temperature, humidity, current, voltage, and settings. And the third button is decryption. You need password to log in. And there is log. Shows one is laser's working status. We have two ways to check your laser status. The second one is to check SD card reader, turn off the power switch, and the previous working record will be found. Connect, then click. And there is a start date. For example, we choose the 1st of October, and date is the 25th of November. Then we click Read SD card. As you can see, all the date is updated. Then we click Save As to save the Max Laser Source log. And let's open the log file. We will find out everyday working status of lasers. You can also send to your laser supplier to help you check the problems. That's all the basic step of how to read the monitor app of fiber lasers, Max Laser brand. If you like my video, please subscribe me. Thank you. Bye bye.